Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am sure you are going to love today's recipe. Today we are going to make chickpeas pulao. Whether you call it chickpeas pulao or chole pulao or kadala pulao, I guarantee you that this is definitely a recipe you would love. So let's start by prepping a little. For 3 serving you will need 2 medium sized onion, sliced or chopped as you prefer, 3 green chilies, 2 small tomatoes roughly chopped. 1 crushed ginger, you can also use ginger paste. 1 spoon of crushed garlic or garlic paste. Now take 2 tablespoons of oil. Once hot, add whole spices such as 2 cloves, 2 cardamom, 1 cinnamon stick, 1 teaspoon of fennel seed, 1 teaspoon cumin seed, 1 to 2 bay leaf. Let it splutter. Add the chopped onions and green chilies. Add salt to fasten the cooking of onions. Saute till onions are translucent. Then add crushed ginger and garlic. Saute. Cover and cook till onions are bit caramelized. Now let's add the spices. We would need 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, 2 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of cumin powder and 2 teaspoon of chole masala. Mix everything well till the spices change the color and are cooked well. Now add the tomatoes. Once the tomatoes are cooked properly and mushy, add the boiled chickpeas. I have taken 1 cup of white chickpeas, had soaked it for 8 to 10 hours and then cooked in pressure cooker with salt and turmeric. Mix the chickpeas well with the cooked masala. Cover and leave it for 5 minutes on medium flame. Then add the washed rice to it. I have taken 1 cup of jeera gasala rice. You can use basmati rice as well. Mix everything. And then add 1.5 cup of boiling water. You may adjust the water based on the consistency of masala left after adding boiled chickpeas. At this point, check the salt and add salt as needed. Mix well. Cover and cook for 10 minutes. Open the lid and mix everything well. Again cover and cook for another 5 minutes. The cooking time of rice will vary based on the type of rice you are using. After 5 minutes, take it off the flame and leave it for 2 to 3 minutes. And it will be ready to serve. I assure you, if you love chole chawal, this is a must try recipe for you. All you need along with this is a raita or plain curd. and your wholesome meal is ready. Do try this recipe and share your feedbacks in the comment. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Stay healthy and stay happy.